Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a photo to a Canva resume. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So to start with, you need to open up your resume and edit it with all your information. A lot of the templates in Canva will have a photo in them, but you can swap that easily for your own. Having a nice photo of yourself smiling with a really clear background helps prospective employers see that you're human and you look really approachable. So it's a good idea to spend some time taking a good photo. So if you have the photo on your laptop, you can easily upload it on the left-hand side. So I'm going to click on upload files, and then go to the downloads tab. I have a photo here, so I'm going to click open, and that will add it to your Canva image folder. Then it's really easy to add it to your resume. All you need to do is click on the photo, drag it over, and that will be replaced in your resume. You can move it around to adjust it to your liking, make it a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. It's totally up to you. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.